This is my Scratch tutorial. Hi, I'm Henry and I'm going to teach you how to make a basic Scratch game on Scratch. So first, what we want to do is we want to delete this cat. So it says this and we want to say yes. And now we go into here, click on choose sprite, and now we're going to go and click on our balloon, like so. And you can also drag and move the sprite around like this. So we're going to drag and drop it around like here, and now it doesn't do anything. So what we want to do is we want to click on events, the yellow event button, and grab the when green flag is clicked and drag it onto your screen right here. But right now, if you click the green flag, nothing happens. So we need to add some coding onto the bottom of it. So let's go into motion and click, and we want to go and click onto move 10 steps, and we can come and drag this underneath our when green flag is clicked block. And now if we click the green flag, our balloon now moves. So now you can also change it by clicking on here. So you could change it to a higher number, so like 30. So now it'll move more steps. Or you can move it to 5, which will make it move less steps. I like having 15 when I'm doing like a basic thing like this, so that it moves not too big and not too small. Now what we want to do is we want to go and click on the purple looks icon over here. Click on this and we want to grab the switch costume to balloon 1-C, and then come and drag it over underneath our motion and our green flag block. Now if we click on our green flag, it'll move 15 steps and change its color, just like so. You can also click on this to change it to, say, back to blue, like that. Or after we've done things in looks, now we want to move on to sound. Now that we're in sound, we're going to grab play pop until done and come and drag it underneath here. So now if we click on the green flag, it'll do all of our things and play a noise, like that. You can also go into your sounds here and you can click on the louder to make it louder. I know, right? So now if we click it, it makes a louder noise. So now that we're done with this, we can then move on to our controls. So now what we want to do is we can go and grab this wait 1 second and click, and then we can go 0.5. And then we want to left click and then click on duplicate. And now we can come and drag it here and then our other one here. So now after we change this to say C or A, whichever one you want, and now when we click on this, boom, and then it makes a noise. There's some difference between each movement and coding. So that is how to make a basic codes in Scratch. Thank you for watching.